Is your Google Play Store stuck and refusing to download apps in 2025? Don't panic, this video has the fixes you need. In just a few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to get your downloads working again. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Force Stop Play Store. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Tap See All Apps. Scroll down and tap Google Play Store. Tap Force Stop, then confirm with OK. Step 2. Clear Play Store cache and storage. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Storage. This safely resets the Play Store. Step 3. Check Permissions and Notifications. Go back and tap Permissions. Then tap Notifications. Make sure notifications are allowed. Step 4. Reset Google Play Services. Return to the Apps list. Search for Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space. Now tap Clear all data in the bottom right-hand corner. This refreshes Play Store's connection. Step 5. Check Download Manager. Go back to the Apps list. Tap the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Tap Show System. Scroll all the way down and tap Download Manager. Make sure it's enabled. If you see Disable, that means it's active. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Step 6. Refresh Network Settings. Go back to Settings. And tap Network and Internet. Toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, then turn it off. Next tap SIMs and make sure mobile data is on. If using Wi-Fi, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Step 7. Fix date and time settings. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time. If your clock is wrong, Play Store may block downloads. Step 8. Reset Network Options. Go back to System. Scroll down and tap Reset Options. Tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings at the bottom right-hand corner. Enter your PIN if prompted. Next tap Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then tap Reset on the pop-up to confirm. This does not erase apps, photos, or WhatsApp. It only resets connections. Step 9. Adjust Play Store download preferences. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Next tap Network Preferences. Tap App Download Preference and choose over any network. Then tap OK to confirm. Final step, restart your phone. Open Play Store and try downloading again. It should start instantly. If it still doesn't work, remove your Google account, restart, and sign back in. And that's it. Your Google Play Store should be downloading apps again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and share this with anyone else stuck with the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.